As you will see in the next set of demos we have created for you today, Amazon Connect simplifies contact center operations by giving us the tools necessary to focus on what's important. Improve agent efficiency by giving our agents the tools to better handle callers' requests, and improve customer experience by not having them jump through the hoops and get what they need. Amazon Lex gives you access to the same speech recognition and natural language technology that powers Amazon Alexa. This is a typical scenario where customers use Contact Center for everyday tasks, such as confirming, changing, or canceling an appointment, checking for available benefits, requesting remaining EBT balance, or replacing their EBT card, and much more. You can build more automated contact center flows to free up agents, giving them more time to focus on more complex tasks and to better serve clients. As you will see, Amazon Lex is smart enough to understand the customer's intent and what kind of information is needed for each task and gather it during the conversation. Please enjoy this demonstration where the customer would like to change an appointment.
Hello, Megan. I see you have a 4:30 appointment this afternoon. Are you calling about this? Or is there something else I can help you with?
Yes, I am calling about my appointment. I had something come up today, and I will not be able to make it.
I'm sorry to hear you will not be able to make your appointment today. I can certainly assist you in rescheduling, if you would like to do that at this time.
Yes, please.
Great. I will need to authenticate you first. I see that you're enrolled in voice authentication. Can you please repeat the phrase, "My voice is my password"? Please verify me.
My voice is my password. Please verify me.
Thank you, Megan. You have been verified. Now, let's see about rescheduling your appointment. Is there a specific date you had in mind? Or would you like me to give you some options?
Can we reschedule the appointment for next Tuesday at 4?
Yes, next Tuesday, June 30th, 2020 at 4 p.m. is available. Please confirm this is the date you would like me to reschedule it to.
Yes, that would be great.
Your appointment has been successfully rescheduled. Now, is there anything else I may help you with today?
I think that is all. Thank you.
Have a good day. Goodbye.
Here's how it works. Megan's phone number is recognized in the system, and we are able to present a customized greeting to her. We use Lex to talk with Megan and not talk at Megan. This system uses machine learning algorithms to predict the reasons for the call and presents that to the caller. The caller confirms that this is the reason for the call and asks to self-serve. Lex then proceeds with authenticating the user with voice authentication. Voice authentication uses the caller's voice print already enrolled in the system to verify Megan's identity. It does so through the caller's unique voice patterns. Amazon Lex then walks the caller through the rescheduling process. This is done using a natural conversational approach instead of a clunky IVR tree method. It reschedules the appointment for the following week at Megan's specified time. Although Megan's experience was a happy one, we are all aware that not all calls are going to go that smooth. So it's critical to have additional information about your contact center performance. Today, most contact center analytics are based on phone switch activity or customer relationship management (CRM) call notes that are typed in by the contact center agent. What's typically missing from these analytics is an insight into the actual conversations between agents and customers. Contact center supervisors are hungry for insight into things like whether agents are having productive conversations, whether any interesting trends in customer sentiment are occurring, or whether the agents are complying with regulatory requirements. Because of these limitations, it can be challenging to get a complete picture of the satisfaction of customers and how they interact with your business. Post-call surveys have low response rates and generally capture only very positive and very negative customer feedback. Here's an example of new search features. What you're seeing are ways to better search call and chat transcript data using keywords and phrases. You can filter by customer versus agent. Previously, we had to listen in on calls to gain some of these insights. Contact Lens gives you better insight into customer interactions. You'll even be able to look at specific characteristics of your interactions. For example, How long has the customer been kept on hold? How fast was the customer or the agent talking? And even look at how many times the customer or agent interrupted each other. You'll be able to not only search based on sentiment, but also start sentiment and end sentiment. So you can identify contacts where the customer sentiment at the end of the call was worse than the start, and then deep dive to understand why. Contact Lens brings enhancements to the contact trace record. Contact trace records are the primary source of data collected for every call. What we see here is standard contact trace record as they appear in the product today. With Contact Lens enabled, you can review the entire call and chat transcript and even see customer and agent sentiment for every speaker turn. You can define and manage custom categories to organize and sort contacts. Specified criteria can be keywords, phrases, and conversational characteristics like silence duration and interruption frequency. Once you define custom categories for areas of particular interest, like the mention of a particular service or specific scripts that agents are expected to say every time you talk to a customer, you will also be able to see those here and filter results based on these categories. New graphs are also available to see changes in sentiment throughout an interaction. For example, was a customer upset but turned around by the agent during the interaction? What percentage of the contact was silent? These insights empower our agents and supervisors to continue to improve their skills to better serve our clients. Contact Search is another effective tool for doing a deep dive, while the categorization feature helps automatically monitor conversations to spot issues that customers already know. However, organizations also want to automatically discover previously unknown issues based on what's going on in their contact centers. Contact Lens offers a new theme detection feature that applies machine learning to analyze multiple customer conversations, predefined configured period, and automatically presents a set of themes along with their magnitude that indicate the top reasons for customer outreach directly in Amazon Connect. Today, supervisors in contact centers lack real-time visibility into how live customer calls are progressing. There may be situations that need their immediate attention. Some examples include a customer asking to speak with a supervisor, the agent repeatedly saying, "I don't know," or an angry customer who can't access her benefits. In many cases, understanding these issues after the customer hangs up does not help the organizations to maintain great customer service. Contact Lens will allow supervisors to get a real-time view of live customer interactions, including real-time customer sentiment progression and alerting based on predefined words and phrases. As always, your data is your data. Rich metadata for every contact, such as call transcripts, sentiment, categorization labels, talk speed, and interruptions, will be available to you for exporting for further analysis. In the next demo, we are going to demonstrate a recording of a conversation between the customer and the agent with Contact Lens enabled.
Hello, Megan. My name is Brandon. I see you're calling regarding your CalFresh benefits today. How may I assist you?
Hi, Brandon. Today is the first day of the month, and I'm trying to purchase food for my family, and there are no funds available on my EBT card. What's going on? Where are my benefits?
I'm very sorry to hear about that, Megan. I'll do my best to assist you with this matter. Thank you for authenticating with our self-service. I do see your case here. I just need to verify a couple of things to see what's going on with your benefits.
How long is this going to take? I'm still at the grocery store.
My apologies. This shouldn't take much longer. After reviewing your case, it looks like your card was not activated.
I really don't have any time to waste. I'm at the store now, and it's ridiculous that I have to go to the county office to activate.
I understand, Megan. The good news is that you don't have to go into the office today. I'll be able to fix this by activating your card right now. If you would just give me a minute, I'll take care of that for you.
Oh, wow, that's great news. Thank you.
I apologize for any inconvenience this may have caused you, but I've gone ahead and resolved that issue. You should now be able to continue with your purchase.
Oh, that's really great to hear. Thank you very much, Brandon.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I may help you with today?
That should be all. Thank you.
Thank you for calling, and I'm glad we're able to take care of you today. Goodbye.
As you can see on the screen, we have an audio recording and a transcript of the whole conversation available for review. You can see sentiment for each phrase. We see that when the customer was upset and how they got more satisfied throughout the call. We can also see overall customer sentiment over the duration of the call. In our case, it went from initially negative to positive. We can also see additional valuable call metadata such as conversation speed, interruptions, time on hold, and others.
Today, many businesses use different technologies to handle phone calls and chats in their contact centers. This creates a disjointed experience for customers and introduces significant operational inefficiencies for supervisors and managers. Customers feel like they are calling two separate businesses. Amazon Connect truly gives an omni-channel contact center, and it was built that way from the ground up. The interaction we heard between Megan, the customer, and Brandon, the agent, can be implemented in a chat as well. The contact flow, the queue, the Lex chatbot, and all the management and reporting interfaces are all exactly the same. This is a massive opportunity because, for the first time, end customers can truly enjoy the same personal, dynamic, and natural experience across all channels, with agents using the same softphone and supervisors using the same dashboards. No time wasted building things twice. In this next demo, you will see how Megan has a true omni-channel experience when she reaches out about her EBT card. What you can see on the screen is Amazon Connect integration with a customer portal. Let's imagine that it was very noisy in the grocery store, and instead of calling into the contact center, Megan decided to use a website instead. Her interaction starts with Amazon Lex. The chatbot offers help with answers to frequently asked questions or other services. Megan needs help with her benefits, so she asks about it. Because access to such information requires authentication, Amazon Lex asks for Megan's date of birth and a social security number. When chatbot successfully validates Megan's credentials, it checks if there are any events that Megan could potentially be helped with. Megan has an appointment scheduled, so Lex is offering help with it. Megan is pointing out that she has a problem with her EBT card. Because there is no automated solution available at the moment, Amazon Lex is transferring Megan to a contact center agent. It is also possible to allow customers to select which channel they would like to use to communicate with the contact center agent. For example, when our Lex bot finds that next step should be a transfer to an agent, it can ask if Megan wants to chat with an agent or have a call. If she selects a call, LexBot can schedule a call back to her phone number instead of continue with the chat session. In our case, the contact center agent was able to resolve the problem. Megan closed the chat and then realized that she forgot to ask for her EBT balance. She would like to continue the conversation with the agent. And as soon as she types in the chat, she gets connected to an agent. All conversational history is available, and the agent can continue helping Megan from the point where they stopped last time. One important thing to mention, this narrative was produced using Amazon Polyneural Engine. This new feature provides more natural text-to-speech results and will be available for Amazon Connect in the near future.
We hope you enjoyed the demos today. As you saw, Amazon Connect can enable you to build personal and natural experiences with your customers. The best part is that AWS is consistently releasing new services and features. Being part of the larger ecosystem gives you the ability to tap into these technologies and continue to evolve as you serve your customers.